Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing place value chapter. So today's topic is rounding off numbers. Rounding off. Okay. This topic you have done in grade 4 also. So let's revise this topic once again. Now first we will see what is the meaning of rounding off. Okay, so suppose this is 0 and this is 10 and this is the middle center of these two. Okay, 5 lies here in between 0 to 10. Now if any number less than 5 means 1 2 3 4. Okay, if any digit last number is less than 5, then number will be rounding down. Number will be rounding down. But if the number is 5 or more than 5, more than 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so if number is equal to 5 or more than 5, then number is rounding up. Number is rounded up. Clear to all? Okay, means if number is 4, if we take any number is 4, so we will consider it as 0. Okay, but if number is 7, then how we will take its estimation that this number is 10, because 7 is more close to 10 than 0 and this 4 is closer to 0 than 10. So this is the meaning of rounding off. Okay, now we will take example based on this topic. Round off the following number nearest to tens. So suppose this is your number 5314 and we have to round off this number nearest to tens. So once again we will write the same number. Now we want to round off it nearest to tens. Now we will focus on the place before tens. Before tens, which place is there? Ones. Okay, so we will underline ones place. Now we will check whether it is less than 5 or more than 5. Now if we see 4 is less than 5, so if number is less than 5, we round it down. So round it down 2. So it is rounded down to which number? Now this 43410 means 14 will become 10. 14 will become 10 means 14 is closer to 10 than to 20. Okay, so this 4 will become 0. And one more way I tell you how to check your sum, that if we are writing here nearest to tens, how many zeros are there in tens? 1. Similarly, in your answer there should be 1 0. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Now let's take another example for more understanding. This is 83,489. So write down this value again and we are rounding off it nearest to tens. So we will underline ones place. Now we will check it whether it is greater or smaller than 5. So we will write here 9 is greater than 5. Now if 9 is greater than 5 means 9 is here. It is closer to 10. So it will be rounded up. 9 is greater than 5, so it is rounded up. Now rounded up to which number? So students, this whole part after tens, this whole part will be written as it is. Okay, sorry, here it is 4. So this whole part is written as it is, but this 9 will become 10. It means this 89 will become 90. 89 will become 90. Because this 9 will be converted into 10. So 10, when here it is 10, so one carry will be there. So this 8 will become 9. Rest number will be same. Rest number will be same before tens. I hope it is clear to all. So next we will round off the number nearest to 100. We will round off this number nearest to 100. So similarly, we are taking here one example, 8150. So once again we will write the value. Now nearest to 100. Before 100 which place is there? Tens. Okay. Now our focus should be on tens place digit. So it is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So this number will be rounded up. This number will be rounded up. Now it means this 5 will become 0 and this 100 place will be raised by 1 digit. Okay. So this one will become 2. So rest zeros. So but before 100, if any digit is there, that will be written same. Only these 3 digits will be affected. Because it is 100, so only these 3 places will be affected. Not after that. If after that, if 1 digit is written or 2 or 3 or 4, doesn't matter. That digits will be written as it is. Okay. So this one will become 2 because it is rounded up, and in last it is 0, 0. Now this is rounded off nearest to 100. How you will check your sum? In 100 there are 2 zeros. So in answer also there should be 2 zeros. Now this number is rounded up to nearest to 100. Now one more example I am taking, 83,089. So again we will write the number. Now it is nearest to 100, so we will underline tens place, means we will focus on here. Okay. Now this 8 is greater than 5. If number is greater than 5, then it will be rounded up. Okay. Now it means 100 place will be raised by 1 digit. Okay. This is 0, so it will become 1. Rest 2 places 0, and after these, if any places are there, that will be written as it is. So 83, 100. It means 89 is more closer to 100 than to 0. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students.